Hey, Awesome, do you know how to pick a ripe strawberry?
Yes, I do, Adil. Look at these two strawberries. Not ripe, ripe. The main thing is to look at the butts. You want a deep red color all the way around, as little white as possible. And then look at this guy. This guy is not ripe yet. I'll give him a couple more days. Look at that deep red ass. And another good way to show that the strawberries are ripe or not is to smell the little container or the carton it comes in. If it smells like a really deep, rich, good, strawberry smell to it, then it's ripe. But if you smell the strawberries and it doesn't smell like strawberries, then they're not ready yet. Alright, so now we're going to go in for a deeper look with this time and table knife. Cut that down. So look at that. And then give this a slice, and then look at that. You can just tell. Look, which one would you eat? This one, definitely.
Hey, Awesome, do you have a white girl recipe for strawberries?
Yeah, I do. So to make some white girl strawberries, you get yourself a bar of white chocolate from Starbucks. It's called confetti cake. It's made by Wild Ophelia. And what you do is you take this bar of chocolate, break it up into pieces, put it into this little ceramic bowl here, and then just nuke it in the microwave until it's all nice and melted and even. And then later on, we're going to take some of these strawberries and we're just going to dip it in this white chocolate. Just imagine there's white chocolate in there. Alright, now that the chocolate has melted, we're going to take a strawberry and we're going to go ahead and dip it in the chocolate. We're going to roll it around. What's up, King? How you doing? Trust me, when you guys do this at home, it'll look better. But for now, it's going to be like this. Alright. Look at that beautiful thing. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
And what do we do with the unripe strawberry?
Well, you take this unripe strawberry and you give it to the dogs. Whoop!
Is that yummy, gang?
Alright, here's a bonus tip for all you people at home. You know what they do? They gas strawberries.
Gas strawberries?
When the strawberries at the supermarket, those are coming from another part of the world. Those are coming from South America. What they do is they pick these strawberries before they are ripe. And they're like white when they're not ripe. Because if you brought them up here when they're ripe, they would just be, they'll go rotten. So what they do is they put them all in a big room and gas them. But the thing is, that gas is what strawberries naturally produce. So it's not harmful to you, but they're pretty much lying to you because it's not a ripe strawberry, even though it has that deep red color.